So these are the 5 best American Express credit cards here in Australia in the year of 2024 and beyond. Let's just say free money or free travel around the world whilst having a dazzling metal credit card is your thing, then this video is a must watch for you. Good day guys, I'm Black. I make videos on personal finance, investing, entrepreneurship and life in general. So for this video, I've gone ahead and looked at all the American Express credit cards offering, and I've come up with a list of top 5 American Express credit cards you can currently get. So whether you're a newbie seeking your first credit card or an enthusiast aiming to maximize your cashback, then this list is tailored for you. So American Express has to offer some of the world's most finest credit cards, and in this video we will be exploring their generous sign-up offers, the key features and benefits, and finally look into the rates and fees of these credit cards. So quick disclaimer, I'm not sponsored by American Express to make this video, so rest assured there is no vested interest. Now let's get into the value. So at number 5, we've got American Express's Essential Credit Card. So this is a perfect credit card for all of you newbies who are thinking of just getting into the credit card game, as this credit card comes with a $0 annual fee, and the current bonus points offering on this credit card includes a $100 credit when you go ahead and spend $2,000 in the first 3 months. The current interest rate on this credit card is 18.99% per annum, and you get up to 55 days interest free to pay back all of your debt. So one of the biggest perk of this credit card is you can go ahead and earn membership reward points. So when you go ahead and use this credit card, you can earn up to 1.25 membership reward point per $1 spent on all of your daily expenditure, and 1 point per $1 spent on all of your expenditure on government bodies. And now let's just say that you have gone ahead and collected all of these American Express's membership reward points. Now you have the option to convert them into 10 different airline partner programs. So what this basically means that American Express have ties with different airline partner programs such as Virgin Australia, Singapore Airlines, Emirates and many more. And you can then convert these membership reward points you have into any one of these programs to then go ahead and book free travel across the globe. Now looking at the key benefits and features of this credit card, you have access to free insurances such as American Express's Buyer Advantage program or smartphone screen cover. So let's just say if you were to go ahead and break your smartphone screen, American Express will go ahead and cover up to $500 in repairs if you have purchased your phone outright using this credit card, or you're paying for its monthly contract whilst using it. You can also have additional cards at no extra cost for your friends and family with this account. Now looking at other kinds of insurances that come with this credit card, it includes things such as card purchase cover, card refund cover, and finally fraud protection guarantee. Now looking at the eligibility criteria for this credit card, you have to be 18 and above and need to be an Australian citizen, permanent resident or long-term visa holder. So in my opinion, American Express's Essential Credit Card is a perfect card for all of you beginners who are embarking on their credit card journey and are interested in earning points for all of their spending. This credit card comes with a lot of flexibility and has a lot of great features and benefits whilst you use them. So now moving on to the 4th credit card we have on my list, we've got American Express's Platinum Edge Credit Card. So this is a great credit card for people who have already embarked on their credit card journey and now are looking into enter the American Express family of credit cards. Current bonus point offering on this credit card is the fact you can get a $0 annual fee for the first year, which is usually $195 per annum. The current interest rate on this credit card is 23.99% per annum, and you get up to 55 days interest free to pay back all of your debt. Quite similar to the previous credit card, American Express's Platinum Edge also allows you to earn American Express's membership rewards point whilst you use it for all of your expenditure. By having this credit card, you can earn up to 3 membership reward points whenever you use it at major supermarkets and petrol stations per $1 spent, and you can earn 2 points per $1 spent on purchases in a foreign currency when overseas and online. And finally, you can earn up to 1 point per $1 spent on all other kinds of purchases. Looking at the key benefits and the features of this credit card, the biggest one is the fact you get $200 worth of free travel credit each year, which you can use to book flights, hotels and cars to any of your favorite travel destinations. Other benefits of this credit card includes things such as smartphone screen cover, and you can have additional cards for your friends and family at no extra cost. As this is an American Express's credit card, it comes with all the various kinds of insurances and warranties, which again includes things such as Buyer's Advantage program, card purchase cover, card refund cover, and finally fraud protection guarantee. Another major perk of this credit card is that you get complimentary travel insurances whenever you use this credit card to book all of your travel. This travel insurance covers you for things such as medical emergency expenses, public transport accident, trip cancellation, loss or damage to your baggage, and finally travel inconvenience. Now looking at the eligibility criteria for this credit card, you have to be 18 and above and have to be an Australian citizen, permanent resident or a long-term visa holder. So in my opinion, this is a great credit card for people who've already had a credit card in the past and are now looking into transitioning into Amex's credit cards. You have the flexibility to convert your membership reward points into any of the American Express's different airline partner programs. You also get a $200 worth of travel credit which ends up offsetting your annual fee. And finally, the current bonus point offering of $0 annual fee for the first year is a perfect cherry on the top. Now moving on to the next credit card on my list, and at number 3 we've got American Express's Velocity Platinum credit card. This credit card is perfect for people who are interested in earning Virgin Australia's Velocity frequent flyer points. Looking at the current bonus points offering on this credit card, you can earn up to 60,000 bonus Velocity points when you spend $3,000 in the first 3 months. And in terms of fees and rates, this credit card has an annual fee of $375. The current interest rate is 23.99%. As this is a Velocity-based American Express credit card, you will be earning Velocity points for all of your expenditure. And let's just say you spend $1 on Virgin Australia's product or service, you will earn 2.25 Velocity points for that spending. And now let's just say you spend $1 on all of your everyday expenses, you will be earning 1.25 Velocity points per dollar spent. And finally, for all of your expenditure on government bodies, you will be earning 0.5 Velocity point per $1 spent. Now focusing on the key benefits of this credit card, the biggest one is the fact you get a complimentary annual domestic flight with this credit card once per year. To expand further on this, you get a complimentary annual Virgin Australia's return domestic flight between selected cities after you basically pay your annual fee. You also have a variety of lounge access with this credit card, as you get 2 complimentary visits to American Express's Centurion Lounge at Sydney International or Melbourne International Airport. And you also get 2 Virgin Australia's lounge invitations each year. And finally, another major travel benefit with this credit card is you get 100 bonus status credits when you spend at least $50,000 in your first year with this credit card. Quite similar to the previous credit card on this list, you also get complimentary travel insurances. And finally, as this is an American Express's credit card, you get a wide range of day-to-day insurances, which covers you for things such as fraud protection, card purchase, and card refund. And finally, in terms of the eligibility criteria, you have to be again 18 plus or an Australian citizen, permanent resident, or a long-term visa holder. So in my opinion, this is a great mid-tier American Express's credit card for people who are interested in earning Virgin Australia's Velocity points. The free return domestic flight you get with Virgin Australia actually ends up offsetting your annual fee of $375. And all the other benefits you get with this credit card are basically on top of that, such as the lounge invitations, travel insurances, and your day-to-day insurances. Moving on to the next credit card on my list, and at number 2, we've got American Express's Qantas Ultimate Credit Card. So in my opinion, this is the best Qantas points earning credit card you can currently get here in Australia. Looking at the current bonus points offering on this credit card, you can get up to 60,000 bonus Qantas frequent flyer points when you spend $3,000 in the first 3 months. Now looking at the rates and fees of this credit card, there's an annual fee of $450 for each year. And the current interest rate on this credit card is 23.99% per annum. And you get up to 44 days interest free to pay back all of your debt. As this is a Qantas points earning credit card, you will get up to 1.25 Qantas frequent flyer points per $1 spent on all of your day-to-day expenditure, and 2.25 Qantas frequent flyer points per $1 spent on all of Qantas's products and service, and finally 0.5 points per $1 spent on all of the government bodies. And now looking at the key benefits and features of this credit card, the biggest one is the fact you get $450 worth of travel credit each year. However, keep in mind this travel credit is only valid for Qantas flights and you have to book it via American Express's travel website. You also have a wide range of lounge access with this credit card. You get 2 Qantas lounge pass invitations each year, and you also get 2 complimentary entries in American Express's Centurion Lounge at Sydney International or Melbourne International Airport. Like all the other Amex credit cards, you can have additional card holders for a $0 fees, and at the same time you get complimentary travel insurances for absolutely free whilst you have this credit card. Another key benefit of this credit card is that you can earn as many Qantas points as you want, as there's an uncapped points earning potential with no limit on the amount of Qantas points you can earn. You also get Qantas's complimentary wine premium membership, and you can earn up to 3 points per $1 spent on Qantas wine. And finally, you have complimentary Qantas wine delivery across Australia. Like all the other American Express's credit card, you also have day-to-day insurances, which covers you for things such as card purchase cover, card refund cover, and fraud protection guarantee. Eligibility criteria is also quite similar to the previous credit cards, as you have to be 18 and above and an Australian citizen, permanent resident, or a long-term visa holder. So to sum it up, this is one of the best American Express's credit card you can currently get, and this is perfect for people who are interested in earning Qantas frequent flyer points, as this credit card has one of the highest Qantas points earning ratio per $1 spent. The $450 worth of travel credit you get ends up offsetting the annual fee, and other benefits such as complimentary travel insurances and complimentary lounge invitations makes your travel quite relaxing and worthwhile. And because of all of these reasons combined, I've personally been using this credit card for the last 5 years. So now moving on to the final card, and at number 1, we've got American Express's Platinum credit card. So this is the American Express credit card, made up of shiny stainless steel and famous across all of the celebrities. This is the most premium American credit card offering which you can apply for. Looking at the current bonus points offering with this credit card, you can earn up to 150,000 American Express's membership reward points when you spend $5,000 in the first 3 months. And now looking at the annual fee for this credit card, it's a whopping $1,450 per annum, which is potentially one of the highest annual fee for any of the credit cards out there. And keep in mind, this is not a credit card but a charge card. As this is a charge card, you get up to 44 cash flow days and no preset spending limit. Now looking at the membership reward points which you can earn whilst using this credit card, there's a limit of 2.25 membership rewards point per $1 spent on all of your daily expenditure and 1 point per $1 spent on all of your expenditure with government bodies. And now looking at the key benefits and the features of this credit card, the most major one is the fact you get a $450 worth of travel credit which you can use towards your car hire, flights, hotels, with American Express's travel online or Platinum travel service. You also get Amazon Prime subscription credit which is worth $84 in a year. And another major benefit of this credit card is the fact you have access to over 1,400 lounges across the globe. These lounges usually include 140 plus Centurion lounges, the Centurion Studio, or even Priority Pass lounges and many more. Another travel benefit of this credit card is you also have access to fine hotels and resorts program, and at the same time you can leverage hotels elite status, which basically means that you'll be fast tracked to achieving a higher status with different hotel program. These partnered hotel programs include Hilton's Honor Gold status and Marriott's Bonvoy Gold status and Radisson's Rewards Premium status. You also get complimentary Accor Plus membership which is worth at $399 per annum, and you also get complimentary travel insurances just like all the other American Express's credit cards. Now looking at other kinds of benefits that comes with this credit card, you get $400 worth of global dining credit, out of which you can use $200 locally here in Australia and $200 abroad at participating venues. You also get complimentary subscription to the Australian, and as an American Express's Platinum card holder, you have access to Langton's client services, which is great for people who are into wines. And now moving on to the services in which you have with this credit card is the access to the American Express's 24/7 Platinum Concierge service. In my opinion, the American Express's Platinum Concierge service is the best customer service you can potentially get from any of these credit card providers. Any kind of requests you have, such as finding reservations at restaurants which are fully booked out or finding tickets for all of these concerts, Platinum Concierge service will be at your rescue to figure it out for you. And finally, you also have day-to-day protection / covers with this credit card, which includes things such as fraud protection, card purchase cover, and card refund cover. In terms of the eligibility criteria for this credit card, you have to be 18 and above, and finally you have to be an Australian permanent citizen or a long-term visa holder. So look, I would say this is the best credit card you can potentially apply for here in Australia, and because of that reason it comes with a hefty annual fee of $14.50. But now let's just say if you can go ahead and afford to pay this massive annual fee, the perks and benefits you get with this credit card are quite worth it. Benefits such as access to lounges across the globe, travel credit, Platinum Concierge service, makes it worth it for people who are interested in premium service by their credit card provider. So well, there you go. In my opinion, these were the 5 best American Express credit cards you can currently get here in Australia in 2024 and beyond. This video covered various kinds of credit card in the American Express's range, and based on where you are on the credit card tier list, you can potentially choose any one of these. And rest assured, you'll probably get great value out of them. So if you guys found this video useful, make sure to check out this video on the 5 best credit cards you can currently get in this year. And go ahead and smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. Comment down below if you have any questions, or if you have any disagreements or agreements, I would go ahead and reply to all of you. Subscribe for more such content on personal finance, investing, entrepreneurship, and life in general. Until then, take care and I'll see you in the next one.